Indeed, today is a very historic day for the people of the Volta region and the OT region, because for the very first time we have a commercial flight which is going to Ho, and a lot of people, as you can see behind me, are on the flight to Ho. We'll be asking them what they make of this new arrangement and what the experience is like. We also want to find out what economic benefits that comes with this arrangement for the people of the OT region and the Volta region.
On Saturday dawn, passengers started trooping into Terminal 2 of the Kotoka International Airport. After going through their check-in formalities and subsequently getting on board, the aircraft was airborne at exactly 6:45 a.m. Before boarding, I asked these passengers why they chose to fly to Ho and what their expectations were for the Accra-Ho route.
I'm going with my daughter, so she hasn't been to the Volta region before, and I promised her that I would go with her this time just to do a little tour of the region before coming back to Accra.
It's good. I mean, within a short period, you are in Ho, and it's so exciting. And we pray that it continues forever.
I'm excited for this flight. I'm going to Ho to see my grandmother.
For some first-time flyers, the experience was awesome as they could not hide their excitement over the beautiful views from the skies. After about 40 minutes, the aircraft touched down here at the Ho Airport at exactly 7:25 a.m. Sharing their experiences, some expressed concerns about cost, while others believed it was value for money since it would open up the region for more economic activities.
I think for now, Ho is going to be a hub where job opportunities are going to be made open for the public. I think it's going to open up Ho on a commercial basis and then more job opportunities for the people of Ho.
For now, the cost may be high because of the patronage. I know as people start to patronize it, the cost will go down, though the cost is a little higher as compared to road. But when you compare the cost with the benefit, I think it's okay.
In terms of business, it will make things go faster and quicker. So I think it's a good idea.
With a spacious arrival, departure and waiting halls here at the Ho Airport, all seem set for commercial airlines activity. Though car parks have been provided with 24/7 security, many of the passengers who arrived here Saturday morning had to make their own arrangement for transport to town since a single taxi or commercial vehicle was not seen at the car park. Some patrons believe government must do more to promote the airport for a sustained air travel to the region.
I believe that the thing that government should do is make sure it promotes the airport. Airports work because people have money, and people will have money if businesses thrive. Places like the Volta region, where there's a lot of underinvestment and underprivilege, should have things like tax breaks, special incentives that allow businesses to come here and thrive. If that happens, indirectly the economic benefit of the airline will go up.
Even though officials of the airline would not speak on record, they expressed satisfaction over the patronage, saying the Accra-Ho route would become one of the busiest routes in Ghana.
For MX24 News, I am Carlos Caloni reporting from Ho.